Okay, let me keep going. I want to answer your second question. What should writers do to protect their intellectual property?
Yeah,
Mm, mm,
please.
mm. I did it today. I did it today.
Mm.
Whatever the copywriting agency of your country is, you want to go to that site and register your copyright. Okay, now I know people say, well, what is copyright? I'm going to back up. Copyright is a noun, but it is a plurality of rights. Copyright is a noun, but it's a plurality of rights. What I mean by that is what in America, what authors have is exclusive ownership of their copyright. And copyright is our ideas, it's our thoughts, it's our words that we put in a print or fixed form. And when we put print or fixed form to our content, then the law will give us exclusive ownership of that content. That ownership is for the life of the author plus 70 years in the US. Okay. Now, what's so powerful about that is all we do here is go to copyright.gov, okay, copyright.gov, and register your copyright, your book, your writings, whatever it is that you want to, that's literary works, you can copyright it at copyright.gov. And I would encourage authors to register their copyright, become religious about registering your copyright.
Right. That was my next question, was how often do you copyright stuff? Are you copywriting your stuff like all the time?
I have embraced that habit.
Right.
Answer, yes. I am copywriting more and more because more content is being made more common. More content is being made more common. And so in order for you to keep the exclusive edge, you're going to need to copyright it and register it. Don't just write it out and put on there copyright, all rights reserved 2024. That's a good first step. That's a great first step. When you write something, put copyright, all rights reserved, Coach Caroline, 2024. Always do that. But then when you are sending out your material to other people, copyright, all rights reserved.
Yeah.
Okay.